What it do, 007 squad? I'm back at you again. Today, we come to bring out something new that I've been working on lately. Voila. The new Glock 47 Gen 5. So this one I chose to do some red accents. So you've seen my other builds, the 45 with the black and gold. So this is gonna be black and red. I have to get the red ejector port. There you go. As you can see, they do have the Glock one of the dock sights on it. Of course, all my Glocks has the light connector, extractor, the lighter plunger, safety plunger. So as you see, the gun is clear. So we'll show you. Watch the, so you can see the full. Look, that's all you get right there. Back. That's it. Crispy. All of them have roughly around a 3.5 pound trigger. Once you put rounds through it, it's gonna break itself in. Only to the next one I've been up to. So the last time I seen this in a video, a lot of people didn't understand what I meant. This is a factory Glock frame, as you can see, and they did it from the factory, purple. And I did all the other purple. All the Glock did was the actual frame. I put the rainbow pins in it for my friend. She also has the rainbow slide. Once again, it is clear. So she has a rainbow slide. She likes purple. So people didn't understand when I told them, when I explained that it's a purple. And watch this trigger pull once again. That's all you get is right there. That's it. Crispy. Glock perfection for real. So that's what I've been up to. Been doing hers. Almost finished. Have to do the rainbow takedown. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna do right here with the slide lever. And she had to get the purple stainless steel. So, but I like this. Next we'll be at the range once I finish modifying my range guns. So once I finish, everything will be looking like how this one looked. So you see the green accents. I also have the Glock 30 barrel. And this is my EDC, and this one has the same type of trigger. I did my own knuckle cut. So as you can see, so hers came from, this is it was made in USA, so this came from Georgia. So hers came with those sights. All of mine, as you can see, came from Australia. So I had those Glock sight on all mine, as well as the 45. So if you stuck around this long, drop a comment, subscribe, so we can get this footage out to a lot of other people that want to know about firearms as well as airsoft. And I do have a new video that I'm going to upload later on today about showing you guys my first AR-15 and how I equipped it and what's set up on it. So until next time, like, comment, share, subscribe. Get at your boy.